Hey guys, welcome back. Today we will see how we can change the clock to 12-hour or 24-hour on Windows 11. Maybe you are not used to one of these types and you want to change it to the other. It's quick and easy to do. We'll also see how to change the time zone. I'm gonna close this window and see how we can get here. Left click in the search at the bottom in the taskbar and type in set regional format. And left click on the icon that says the same thing. Right now, just look for regional format here in the list and left click anywhere in the box. You can see your current regional format settings over here in a short summary. And to change it, just left click on change formats over here. And we are interested in short time and long time. And we can see their specific settings over here on the right. If we left click on the button, it will show us all the options. And the ones that don't contain AM are the long, the 24-hour version. Although you can't really see that in here because the dates and times are examples and you can't change this number. But if we look closely right now, our clock has changed and it says 13 instead of 1 p.m. And you also have a different version with a 0 before the hour. This is it, guys. This is how to change from 12-hour to 24-hour. And of course, if you already have 24-hour, you can come here and just change it to one of the times that says AM on the right to switch it to 12-hour. Lastly, I promised to show you how to change the time zone. To do that, just right click on the date and time over here at the bottom right and left click on adjust date and time. And over here we have the time zone. If you left click on this button on the right, you can change the time zone that you are currently in. So if you are using automatical time, the hour will be correct on your computer. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching our video. We hope you find it helpful. Subscribe for future tips.